You can have the same recipe as Susie. I mean the exact same recipe, exact same copy. No additions, no markouts, no edits. It's the exact same recipe. Even go even further and say y'all have the exact same oven, y'all in the exact same kitchen, exact same altitude, everything. Like, because all of that matters when you're baking, okay, from a baker's. However, when Susie bake with Susie bake and you bake what you bake, it don't taste the same. I don't know what Susie did. Susie, where'd you mess up? I saw all the ingredients. I put them out for you. What happened? The thing about it is, you and Susie are different. So the way you cook and your touch and your feel and your flow, it ain't gonna line up to Susie's. And the way Susie cook and her flow and her touch, it ain't gonna line up to yours. What is the moral, Elizabeth? The moral of this story is, be you. Don't worry about Susie's recipe and Susie what Susie making, because it ain't none of your business. Your business is your recipe. Your recipe is only meant for you. That's why they can copy you, but it ain't gonna come out the same, because you add your extra flow, you add your extra touch, you add them extra special ingredients that God gave you and only you, and can't nobody else do it like you can do it, because can't nobody duplicate him. I think I'm gonna stop right there. Okay, until we meet again, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you, stay getting your sauce so good. I told you it's prize winning.